Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing money added to your account without working. No boss. No stress. Just AI doing the work for you. Sounds fake? Well, thousands of people in the US are already doing this. Today, I'll show you 7 AI tools that are quietly making people passive income in 2026. This channel is all about AI plus money plus smart systems. No fluff. Only real strategies. Tool 1, AI Content Machine. YouTube Automation. Tools like ChatGPT plus AI voice plus stock footage can create full videos. Upload once, and earn from ads forever. Some channels are making $1,000 to $10,000 per month doing this. Tool 2, AI Print on Demand. AI Design Tools. Use AI to create designs, upload to stores, and get paid every time someone buys. No inventory. No shipping. Fully automated. Tool 3, AI Blogging, sell money. Write articles using AI, rank on Google, earn from ads and affiliate links. This is how many bloggers in the US earn passive income daily. Tool 4, AI Stock Images/Videos. Selling AI-generated content. Create images or videos using AI, upload them, and get paid every time someone downloads. Tool 5, AI Digital Products. Selling digital products. Use AI to create ebooks, templates/courses, planners, or guides, sell them on autopilot. Create once, sell forever. Tool 6, AI Social Media Pages. Faceless AI pages. AI creates posts, captions, and videos, you grow pages, then earn from sponsorships. Tool 7, AI Freelancing Automation. This is how beginners are scaling fast. If you think this is crazy, wait till the end. I'll tell you the easiest one to start today. If you're starting from zero, start with this. YouTube automation or digital products. Low cost. High potential. Let's be real, this is not instant money. You still need consistency. But once it works, it keeps paying. If you want more AI money strategies in detail, subscribe now. Because the people who learn AI today will control income tomorrow. Follow for more AI secrets. Like and subscribe Future IQ to get ahead from others.